Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix any problem you have with the voice message on WhatsApp app. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again and do the same thing with the Wi-Fi. Just turn it off and turn it on again. Go back, click on the apps manager on your phone. It will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just scroll until you find WhatsApp. If you didn't find it, just search here in the search bar, click on it. Now go to the permissions of the app and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the microphone. And then go back, click here on this option, it's called force stop, and now reopen WhatsApp. And congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the very end.